All right, good afternoon. This is Robert Owens, Vice President of the USA Division for Rita Lighting. And today we're going to unbox a 600 watt LED grow lamp. Stay tuned. All right, now we're going to open the box and see what we find. So the LED grow lamp, this one's designed specifically for cannabis, but we make them for fruits, vegetables of all different types. As long as we know the type of vegetable that you're seeking to grow, we'll customize the LED light to be best used for that. This is a lot more difficult with one hand. Right. So it is double boxed, so we'll open up the inner carton. Alright, so now that we're here, take out the foam. And these lights do fold in half. So what you're going to find is you'll see that it's double-sided here, but that's because it fully extends and opens up. So we'll pull all the foam off. Again, a lot easier with two hands instead of one. We'll cut all of this off. Now what we have is the 600 watt LED grow lamp. Again, this one's made specifically for cannabis. And if you look, we've got a mixture of white, cool white, and other color LEDs that are mixed inside of each board. And this is so that we get the proper growth, because what we're shooting for is not just growth height, which you can get from pink LEDs, but our mixture of white and amber LEDs along with other colors gives us the ability to grow not only tall, but healthier plant and a better looking harvest and better crop yield. So we'll go ahead and open this up, and then I'm going to open up the power supply. So it opens up just like that. Now we'll open up the power supply, get it connected, and see what we have. Alright, and what we have on here is, if you're going to use external control, we have the Ethernet ports for external control using a third-party control system. We have your settings for brightness using this knob, and that is going to be based on the growth period of your crop as well as the time of day and how bright you want the LEDs to work. So you have two methods of controlling the brightness. You have the knob itself, or we have our RJ11 jacks that are used for control like DMX or Dolly. So as you can see, we have an external power supply. The benefit to this is this can be placed on a longer whip and placed more in a centralized location or even further down on the wall, allowing you to have control without needing to get on a ladder or anything like that. Oh my goodness. That's set to 100. We're going to dial it down so you can see the different colored chips in there. It's still insanely bright. All right, so mixed in, we've got our little bit of blue, some red, our amber, white colored LED chips. This is all designed, I need some sunglasses. This is all designed to give you very, very good color penetration, light penetration into the plants itself, giving you even distribution of the light. The red helps the plants grow taller, and while the mixture of the white and the color white that we have gives you the wide, better growth that way as well. So as you can see, we have the 600 watt version. We go up to 1000 watt version. And thank you for watching. Here's the grow lamp if you want to look.
Why? You're all put it down 2 notches.
It's a big, holy crap. That's not even the brightest it can go.